Hi, my name is Mike Smith and welcome to your daily offering from the desk of Hawkeye Options. Today we're going to reinforce one of the things that we talk about repeatedly. We're going to look at volume and why we consider it to be the leading indicator. Let's start by looking at what the purpose of indicators actually is. And really what we're trying to do is we're trying to gain a market edge. That means give us something that the rest of the market participants don't have that's going to enable us to make great trading decisions on a consistent basis. And just a reminder again that the purpose of entry is to increase the probability of a trade going in our desired direction. So we combine that with the idea of having an edge over the rest of the market, and that's really the purpose of indicators. Now, why volume? Well, if we look at this Delta Airlines chart, you'll see that the Hawkeye software enables you to see this quickly. On the bottom here, we see the volume indicators. A green bar means that there's buying volume, red bar means there's selling volume. What we see is that quite often buying volume comes in before a trend changes. So if we look here, we'll see that buying volume came in whilst the trend was still in downtrend before turning to uptrend. Likewise here, we're in congestion, we moved to uptrend, and again that buying volume came in early. Likewise here, we're in downtrend, moved to congestion, and then into uptrend. Again, there's that buying volume. This puts us ahead of the queue. So if we use our 3 time frames, our 2 slower time frames are telling us that now is the time to consider an entry. We're looking for confirmation on the daily, and if we've got buying volume coming in, that's a great clue to have this on your hot list. Exactly the same with one of the ETFs we often trade, XOP. Again, you'll see here, we've got buying volume coming in whilst still in downtrend prior to moving into uptrend. So if this was on our hot list, we'd be in here and we'd be tracking the trade right up until this point here for exit. And again, we're in congestion here. Prior to that uptrend, you see the buying volume coming in, and again, we can take advantage of that. One last one, here's GLW. There's our 3 bars of buying volume prior to this uptrend, which turned out to be an exceptional trade. So that's our offering for today. I hope it's reinforced the importance of using leading indicators. We'll see you again soon.